What's up, guys? Hanging out here with MacGyver Mark, putting some water in the waters because we did all of our filtering this morning. And what are we gonna get? What are you gonna do with your water, Mark?
Take a shower.
Oh, is it that time of the month?
Time of the year.
All right, buddy.
Once a year,
That's all you need, right?
Yeah.
Keeps the riffraff away.
That's right, it does.
Hey, you know what? We're the riffraff. Hey guys, how's it going? Thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Right now, I am in the truck with MacGyver Mark, and we're heading back to camp with a truck full of water so that we can fill up all of the water stations that we used at camp today. And then we're probably just going to hang out around camp and see who's there. Meet some of the new people that have showed up at the camp, and we got a dog at camp now, and just kind of hanging out on this video. It's going to be another one of those everyday life kind of videos. I hope you like it. We are having a blast out here in the LTVA. The temperature has been amazing. Highs in the mid 70s during the day, lows in the mid 50s at night. Precipitation up to this point has been non-existent, but there is a forecast for some rain later on this week. So we're trying to get all of our responsibilities and solar systems charged up before the cloudy weather and the moisture arrive. But really, we can't complain because we're out here living on the cheap side of the sun. There goes my buddy Bruce. And yeah, just a bunch of like-minded people out here living like-minded ways and enjoying each other's company. Thanks for stopping by. Let's go see what's going on at camp. How'd you like to be camped right next to the toilet? I bet you that's a aroma-filled existence. But that dude was there last year too. All right, guys, so today I'm going to make breakfast outside because it's just so nice. I bought this, I kid you not, Play It Again Sports 20 years ago. In fact, there's still a tag on here. Primus propane stove. I paid I think I paid $6 for this thing. But you take that, you put one of these in it. Everybody's seen these before. They're simple, but they work, you know? And you take that. And there you go, we're fired up. Got a little pan with some butter in it. Put that on there. Today we're gonna have 3 eggs for breakfast today because I found a broken one. And I honestly don't like to have an odd number of eggs. So I broke 3 eggs yesterday bringing them home. So I ate 2 of them, and this is the other broken one. So now I have an even number of eggs again. I'm weird, but I like numbers. All right, I gotta get, whoa. Special. I tell you, the weather out here lately has been amazing. I don't know if it was in the high 50s, I think, last night. Not sure, but I think it was. All right, here's the broken one. Ugh. Good catch, huh? Oh, yeah, buddy. And then you gotta take a little pepper. Oh, that looks good. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, buddy. Eggs and coffee. That's what I'm talking about. Got some awesome stuff on the trail cam last night. Hope you guys enjoyed that. This has been a good spot for trail cam. I have not had really any luck. Jesus, come on, eggs, dude. One thing about cooking eggs out here is that they cook a lot hotter. In fact, we could turn that off. Woo! But I didn't break them. It came close, but they did not break. See? Not lying. Merry Christmas, everybody. I just wanted to tell you guys about a radio station here in Quartzsite. 105.9 FM is an awesome FM station you can pick up pretty much anywhere here. And they play a good selection of classic and new modern rock. Nothing too crazy. They play some B-side stuff. And on Saturday nights at 6 o'clock, they got an hour of Pink Floyd. It's called the Floydian Slip Show. And they play all kinds of Pink Floyd and tell stories. So 105.9, and they ain't paying me to say this, believe me, is a refreshing radio station that I found out here. So make sure you check it out. Got the morning all started and the sun's up and got the van cleaned out and figured I'd stop over here and introduce you guys who don't know to my new neighbor. He rocked up here a couple days ago. He's just been chilling out here. See if he's home. Yo, Holmes, are you there?
We're here.
Yo! Everybody wants to say hi to you, but they can't see you in there. It's so dark. Who is it?
Good morning, Brian.
Hey, it's freaking Eric, the free camper man.
How are you?
I'm doing good. Holmes, how you doing?
Good. Come on out, Pep.
Oh, and there's Pep right there. He got to come out and say hi to everybody. He's like, Holmes, it's too early for me.
No.
I was sleeping. You woke me up.
He's going out.
Now this knucklehead's got a camera on me. What is going on here?
Hey, good morning, Brian. I'm doing his van life.
Yeah, what are you doing, buddy?
I put his little yard out today, so hopefully he's not as scared.
Right on.
Those coyotes yesterday got him worked up.
Yeah, man, I was just showing the people on this video. The one that we filmed last night.
There's Pep. Good morning, guys.
Yeah. This is the hardest working animal in camp.
Yeah.
No, he's
That's the
not.
yard, son.
He doesn't do too much.
He doesn't do too much. No, he doesn't.
Dude, this is a super dope camper you got here, man. By the way, you guys want to check out Eric's channel. Right there, dude. Go check him out, man. He needs more subscribers than he's got, like everybody else. And he does a bunch of cool stuff, man. Leave him some comments. But check this thing out, man. This is like hardcore. And you would think that this is kind of like the thing that you could go online and order from some big money outfitter. It ain't like that, man. He bought this thing off of some cat that built it. And then what Eric did was he improved it tremendously. Eric's awesome camper. If you guys want to see the inside of it and way more in depth about all the accessories this thing's got on it, make sure you go over to his channel, Free Camper Man. I'll leave a link in the description and check it out. What do you think of that, yo? Like, that's some Hopalong Cassidy kind of Tombstone kind of cowboy movie stuff right there. Wow. It's like fake, right? Right, dude? All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that video. That was a lot of fun to make. You know, a lot of goofy stuff, a bunch of old guys doing a bunch of goofy stuff. That's what a lot of goes on at this camp, you know. But it is fun, you know. I mean, it's like being a 51-year-old juvenile delinquent is pretty cool. Look at the sky behind me. That's crazy. But we reached 5,000 subscribers a couple days ago, and I haven't really addressed it other than a post and the video where it happens, you know, like when I got the announcement that I had 5,000 subscribers. That's really all I've addressed it. So what we're going to do is have way quieter toys than that, I'll tell you what. But what we're going to do is I want to put together a live, and I get a couple of my friends that are out here that play musical instruments, and we're going to have like a little live campfire party jam. And you're all going to be invited, and people who are here want to come hang out at the campfire with us. I think we'll maybe have some people come hang out. I don't know. If you got a suggestion on what we should do for it, leave it in the comments, because, you know, you guys are as big of a part of this channel as I am, really, because without your support, it doesn't exist. You know what I mean? So what do you guys want to do? You guys are the cool kids. Let's have a cool kid party live. Leave your suggestions down in the comments, and we'll see what comes up with it. You know, we're not going to wait too long to do it. It's only been a couple days, so I don't want to take more than a month. But yeah, let's figure something out. Let's do something cool. That's going to do it for this one, everybody. We will see you on the next one. Keep on vanning. Look, the cactus is like going like that behind my head. See? You guys are as smart as... You guys are 3, 2, 1.